Welcome back to 10 Slate Info. When we heard the news of US Navy's interest to integrate their Boeing P-8A Poseidon patrol aircraft with a new anti-ship missile, it attracted the Indian Navy to equip their fleet as well. The anti-ship missile which I am talking about here is the Lockheed Martin AGM-158C. The Indian Navy currently operates almost 11 Boeing P-8I variant of maritime patrol aircraft, and these aircrafts are the most powerful and proven ones in the field of anti-submarine warfare. As of now, these patrol aircrafts are equipped with the Harpoon all-weather anti-ship missiles which are manufactured by Boeing Defense. The exact variant of Harpoon missile which is used by the Indian Navy is AGM-84L Harpoon Block II missiles. In addition to these Harpoon anti-ship missiles, these patrol aircrafts are also equipped with Mk-54 anti-submarine torpedoes, and now with the addition of AGM-158C of Lockheed Martin, it will expand the P-8I patrol aircraft's anti-surface capability in terms of range and ability to operate in a GPS-denied environment. These Lockheed Martin anti-ship missiles can be directed to attack enemy ships by its launch platform, and it receives updates via its data link, or it can use the onboard sensor to find its target. In addition to this, these AGM-158C stealth anti-ship cruise missiles can fly towards its target at medium altitude, then drop to low altitude for a sea skimming approach to counter the anti-missile defenses. The entire process of integrating these anti-ship missiles of Lockheed Martin onto the Boeing Poseidon P-8A will take until October 2024 tentatively. So once the required trials are completed successfully by the United States Navy, Indian Navy can very well go ahead and place an order for these Lockheed Martin AGM-158C anti-ship missiles and manufacture them in India through the Make in India route. Integrating the entire fleet of Indian Navy's P-8I patrol aircrafts with this new weapon of Lockheed Martin, which has a multi-mode radio frequency sensor, a new weapon data link and altimeter, and an upgraded power system, will allow Indian Navy to penetrate more sophisticated enemy air defense system at a long range. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slate Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.